Okay, this is the screen with it unzipped, and one of my kitties always trying to get in. I'll show you a little bit closer here. I did not adhere this to my floor because I have wood floors and the cats have shredded it, but when I have this open, I am able to put a piece of wood to hold it down so the cats aren't able to access one another. So this is the screen, you know, with the door open, and I'm not sure if I measured it correctly because it does seem like, you know, I probably could have gone a little bit bigger, and maybe in hindsight that's probably what I should have done. But it has worked very well for me. It comes with these little pins that you can use to give it some extra hold. And, you know, here, this bottom part, it just keeps coming off. I think it needs to be re-adhered. But with that said, I would definitely buy this again. Make sure that you measure your door, and you may want to go just a little bit bigger, a little bit wider. It's probably what I would have done.
Okay, so this zipper keeps coming off track and has to be re-zipped kind of carefully and slowly, especially coming around the corners. You got to double check to make sure it's not going to come apart. We put some colored tape on to help, but not a good zipper.
No, because what are you doing up there, bro? And what? No, honestly, like, tell her to get down. All right, not too much on the growling, Lily.